What's going on, tubers? Welcome back to Iron Drini's Kitchen. So tonight, I got a sweet tooth again. So we are doing rice cakes with, I've got powdered peanut butter, vanilla iso, and as a base, we just spread it on. And for this consistency, I did a little bit of Greek yogurt and a splash of coconut milk. Great flavors for a base. We're doing like an adult peanut butter and jam sandwich. So like I said, we got the 0% fat Greek yogurt, powdered peanut butter, vanilla isolate, and then we're doing strawberries for the topping, and we're going to dust it to enhance the flavor. What's nice, before I used to make these, I just used to use enough of the whey spread, but now I make extra and I put it in a Ziploc container, so I have extras. I have extra paste for another recipe or for the morning for breakfast. So I took these frozen strawberries out. I let them sit out for about 10-15 minutes. I like them partially frozen. I just like that crunch. I mean, if you wish to do so, you can put them in the microwave for like 20 seconds. But so, since I'm watching my portions, everything's kind of measured out. So we got 100 grams of strawberries, and we have a scoop and a half of iso. So then we take all these on Amazon. These are very convenient. We do a light dusting. I should have put the dusting before the strawberries for presentation, but that's okay. Oh, we missed one. Put the dark one on the bottom and the cinnamon on top for contrast, but these are quick, easy. Make them in 30 seconds. Super low calorie, healthy. You know, you can use your favorite fruit. Check those out. Look at that. Oh yeah. So like I said, I did like a spin-off of like a PB&J sandwich, but you know, like I said, the Greek yogurt, a splash of coconut milk, unsweetened coconut milk, powdered peanut butter, and the vanilla iso complements well with the strawberries and the peanut butter. And then a dusting of the cacao powder and the cinnamon powder. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed watching. Follow me for some more great recipes.